Hello primary one, how are you today? Hope all of you are great and everything is okay. Who can tell me how many days are there in a week? Excellent, 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, today we're gonna take a new chapter 4, which is talking about the number and how to write the number in letters. And we have extra lessons which is called picture graph. Okay, let's move to the next page. What can you see here in this picture? You can see a lot of stars. How many stars here I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. How can I write 16 in letters? S-I-X-T-E. Here I have 16 stars, so I draw 16 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and finally 16. Okay, what can you see here in this picture? You can see a lot of diamonds. How many diamonds here I have? Count with me, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. How can I write 17 in letter? S-E-V-E-N, teen. S-E-V-E-N, teen. 17. Here I have 17 diamonds, so I draw 17 dots. Okay, let's move to examples. Put each 10 objects in a circle, then write the number of the rest. So, here I have a lot of bananas. How many bananas here I have? I have a lot of bananas. I need only to put circle around 10 bananas, and the remaining of the bananas will be the rest. The rest means the remained bananas. So now let's count 10 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have 10 bananas, so I will put circle around them. And now, how many remained bananas I have, which is called the rest? So the rest of bananas will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So the rest will be 4. Number B. I have a lot of cars and I need only to put circle around 10 cars only. So count until to reach to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have 10 cars, so I will put circle around them and count how many remain the cars, which is the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the rest of the cars will be 6. Let's move to the next example. Put the suitable sign, greater than or smaller than or equal. Number A, 10 and 12. So the first step is to put circle around the bigger number. Here, which is the bigger? Of course, 12 is bigger than 10. So I will put circle around 12. Then the next step is to open the alligator mouth to the greater number, which I have put circle around it. So when I read this equation, you can say 10 is less than 12. 10 is less than 12. Number B, 8 and 7. So the first step is to put circle around the greatest number, which is 8. And the next step is to open the alligator mouse to the bigger number. So I will open the alligator mouse to 8, and when I read this equation, you can say 8 is greater than 7. 8 is greater than 7. Number C, here I have two same number, 16 and 16. When I have same number, you have to use excellent equal sign. So 16 is equal to 16, and we read the equation from this side. 16 is equal to 16. Number D, 17 and 14. So what shall I do first? I will put circle around 17 because it's a bigger number. The second step is to open the alligator mouse to 17. Then I read the equation from left side. I can say 17 is greater than 14. Now we start a new lesson, the picture graph. But first you have to listen well to this video.
How many apples have you eaten today?
I don't remember.
Apples are good for your health, but having too much of anything can be harmful.
I know. I've been eating a lot.
How many apples did you eat yesterday?
I don't remember that either.
Well, if you find it difficult to remember numbers, I can teach you an easy way.
That would be great.
Okay, let's do this. Each time you eat an apple this week, you will pick up a stone and make a mark on my trunk.
Mark? What kind of mark?
Any symbol that you want, even a simple cross or a tick sign will do.
Okay, so here are the marks showing the number of apples I ate last week. It's so easy to keep track of them this way.
That is the beauty of using graphs.
Graphs?
Yes, Amber, graphs. Graphs are a way of showing different amounts with the help of pictures and figures. The items we count are called objects. A picture graph uses pictures to show data.
Pictures?
Yes, instead of using a cross or a tick mark, you can also use colorful pictures to count the objects. For example, the apples that you ate.
All those squirrels look exactly like me.
You can see here that each picture stands for one object.
So this graph shows 5 apples, 2 trees and 6 squirrels.
You are right, Amber.
Okay, so now we're gonna take picture graph. What the meaning of the picture graph is a way to represent data into organized picture and compare between them. To be more clear, let's see the next example. Here I have a lot of pictures and I need to organize this picture into the picture graph, then compare between the items. So here, how many chocolates? Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chocolates. So I will present these chocolates into pictures. So I have to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chocolates. And how many chickens here I have? I have 1, 2. So I present these chickens into pictures. 1, 2. How many burger sandwiches here I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I represent the sandwich burgers into 6 pictures. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many juice here I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I will represent it into 9 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the picture graph is to organize the data and represent it into the pictures in the picture graph. And now it's easy to compare between the items. So when I ask you which is the most item in the picture graph, you will say that the juice is the most item. And when I ask you which is the least object, you can see in the picture graph that the chicken is the least items. So the picture graph is the way to represent data into picture and compare between them. Thank you for watching and goodbye.